Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create beautiful collage with PicCollage on iPhone. If you're seeking how to make a photo collage on iPhone without app, you can use the iPhone Shortcuts app to create a photo collage easily with a few taps. Now open your shortcuts and follow your detailed guides to make a collage on iPhone without installing other third-party apps. First, open the shortcut apps on your iPhone or iPad. Tap the gallery option on the bottom of the screen and type Photo Grid in the search box. Then tap the Photo Grid shortcut icon and tap the Add Shortcut option to add a photo grid to your own shortcuts. At this point, switch to the Shortcuts page and tap the newly added Photo Grid shortcut. You can just tap it to open your iPhone Photos app to make a photo collage directly. Now, you can create a simple photo collage on iPhone. Surprisingly, we will share you with an amazing trick that you can make a photo collage on your iPhone Photos app. Here's how to add your photo collage shortcuts to Photos app. Open Photo Grid in the Shortcut apps and tap the three dots icon to open the detailed information page. Then, tap the central icon on the bottom of the screen to make it show in the share sheet. Save your sets and you can make photo collage in your Shortcuts app. Then open the Photos app and tap the image you want to use at the photo grid material. Tap the share icon and scroll down the screen to find the photo grid option. Then, you can choose other photo collage materials. After that, tap Add to save your collage to your iPhone photos. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.